Hey man, what's up? Bro, you look really excited about something.
I know, I'm just so hyper I can't control myself.
Well, dude, just try to calm down. Explain to me in a controlled way why are you so excited? Okay. Okay, so today I met my all-time hero. Really? Yeah. You better believe it, buddy. You better believe it. Okay. I do believe you. Okay. So, what was it like? Well, it was awesome, man. It was awesome. And the best day ever! Okay, man, you better calm down. You drunk? No, I ain't drunk, man. I'm just excited. Well, you better stop being loud and excited, or I'll do this! Bro, that's so mean! I'll do this! Well, you call me mean, what you just done? I'll do mean.